Hey everyone. Well, guess what? It's my first video for 2025. And guess what I decided to try? A Burger King mushroom melt burger. I've been looking, I like mushroom burgers and I haven't really been able to find a good one. So I'm getting it out right now, and I hope my phone doesn't flip over. My suction cup on my mount is being a pain in the butt today. And I did get some French fries. It's called a melt. Hold on. I need to get my napkins out. Hold on, you guys. Yep. And I'm wearing my New Kids on the Block Magic Summer Tour hoodie. It's a cold day, and I'm excited about that. I'm wearing it. It's got New Kids on the Block. And my phone better not flip over. I wiped it off. I wiped the suction cup off. Alright. This burger was $5 freaking. And it's kind of small. Look at that. Look how small that is. Look at that. And all that's on it is mushroom and Swiss. And I don't know if that's mayonnaise on there or a creamy cheese. Now, this is what I like on a mushroom burger. I don't want lettuce. I just want the patty and the mushroom and the Swiss cheese. I don't know, maybe a little onion, maybe. That's all I want. Maybe mayonnaise. And Hardee's back in the 80s, they used to have a mushroom Swiss burger, and I remember the mushroom Swiss burger, it had like brown sauce on it. And this is supposed to be double patty. I can't even tell, but here it is. Let me take a bite. It's on like a sourdough bun. Let me. I didn't even get a bite of the burger home. It's bun. I need another bite. And guess who's still home? It's been the longest 2 weeks of my life. The longest 2 weeks of my life. I still didn't get a real good bite home. Okay. I tried the Wendy's. That Wendy's right now has a burger, a mushroom burger, but it ain't like this. Theirs has bacon on it. Okay. Yeah. I'd get it again. I'd get this again. Today is January 3rd. Yeah, today's January 3rd. Yeah, I'd get this again. They have another flavor. It's the melts. They have a bacon cheeseburger one. I'm gonna try that another day and tell y'all what I think about it. Let me get a fry. And on the app, I got these French fries free because it was a deal on the app. Get a free fry. So gotta get my free thing. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all these. I'm sick of eating, and I didn't pig out, but I'm just sick of eating. I did hit my goal weight. I mean, everybody's like, oh, I'm proud of you, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? I didn't even do anything to like, I did what I had to do. You know, I'm doing the shots, you know. But like, I didn't do any, like, I didn't exercise it off. It just made me not want to eat. But, I mean, I don't care. I mean, I'm doing the shots, you know. And I'm not going to be, like, ashamed of doing the shots. I had to do it. I had to do it. Because I was getting tired of being 40 pounds overweight. And I did what I had to do. It's a tool to help you. And, I mean, I had to do it. Because I was getting tired of being fat. You know, bottom line, I'm not going to be like ashamed, oh, I did Manjaro. Yeah, I did Manjaro, and you know what? I look good. And, you know, there's people complaining, well, I can't get, well, it's not my fault you can't get it. It's not my problem. I can get it, and my insurance covered it, so I'm going to take advantage of it. And I am looking good in my clothes. So, you're not going to make me feel bad. This burger's actually good. And it was $4.99. I'll probably go back and try the bacon one, the bacon burger. That $1 million challenge I did, the Whopper challenge, I didn't like none of those burgers. None of them. The only one maybe would be the, like I said in my video, the bourbon barbecue bacon cheese one. But I thought since this had 2 patties on it, it'd be too big, but it actually is a small burger. So I'll probably eat this whole thing. So today is Friday, and Eric's still home, but he worked yesterday. He worked yesterday from home and today. So he'll probably more than likely go back Monday, hopefully. I need a break. I need a break. But I will say this. He's been working upstairs, getting that game room together. And the theater stuff is awesome. And he's been putting shelving together for our Blu-rays and my CDs. But the Blu-rays, I don't have as many as the Blu-rays as I do CDs. CDs, that's gonna be a pain in the butt trying to get them organized, because I got several boxes of CDs and alphabetizing them. Oh gosh, I don't even want to do it. This burger's good. I'll get this burger again for sure. So there's really no place for me to sit in the car. over here in a shady spot. I'm over here in Perry. There's a Burger King in Perry near the Walmart shopping center, Sonny's barbecue. I'm sitting in behind me is it's got cell phone shop. And that was the only place I could really find. And then Sonny's barbecue is right in front of me. I couldn't really there's really no shady spot. But it's the new year, and I'll be back. I just wanted to do a quick little burger video because I wanted to get over here and try this before they take them off the menu. So I'm gonna get off of here, and I'll be back another day trying the barbecue bacon burger melt. Hey guys, I'm doing part 2 of my Burger King melt. Wait, let me see. My camera's going. Yeah. I'm trying the bacon melt from Burger King. The first part of the video, I tried a mushroom one. They got 3 burgers. They got the classic, and then they got the bacon, and then they got the mushroom. The classic is the same thing as the bacon one. It just doesn't have bacon on it. And it is freaking cold today. It's Saturday, and it was supposed to snow. Really, people? You think it's gonna snow here in Warner Robins, Perry? Give me a break. Everything shuts down if there's mention of ice or snow, and it didn't even do that. It got a little cold and it rained, and it wasn't even cold enough to freeze. People flip. We went to Publix last night at 8 o'clock to get something, and they were already closed. They closed at 4 o'clock. I'm like, good grief, it's just a little bit of rain. Okay. And Eric's having a rehearsal at the house, so I'm doing my mukbang. It's gonna be a little quick because I am freezing. I had the heat on. I need to get me a napkin. Yeah, Eric barely went back to work, and then he had off again. 2 days for Jimmy Carter. They gave him off for 2 days. So he's been home a lot, and I'm ready for him to go back to work. I need a break, you guys. So I'm wearing my redneck outfit. I wish y'all could see the pants I'm wearing because it matches real good with this. Alright, I'm gonna try this burger. Let me get my ranch. I got some of them cheesy tots. Here's the creamy ranch. You gotta pay for this. I had to give her, luckily I had a quarter. It was 25 cents for this Hidden Valley. But this Hidden Valley is better than the Nugget Ranch, the Burger King. I need to eat my food up real quick, so I'm gonna make it real quick. So this is the bacon one, and okay, it's a sourdough. It's small, and it's double patty, but it's small. It's got bacon, cheese, onion, and their sauce. It's not mayonnaise. I figured out it's not a mayonnaise. So I'm gonna take a bite of it. The onions is good. And I had to ask for water too, a cup of water, because I forgot. Let me take a bite real good. Hold on. The patty, it's kind of brown around the edges. Come on, Burger King, get it together. Okay. It's a little crispy around the edges. Well, it's 11 o'clock. They just put the lunch menu up. I was trying to hold off till 11 o'clock. Let me take another bite. Is this burger worth $4.99? No, it's not. Okay. Not bad. Let me try this tots. I love these cheesy tot thingies. And you gotta get this with it. You gotta get this ranch dip. You have to. It makes it. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm at the Walmart parking lot. It's pretty quiet. I mean, like I said, it's cold. It's a cold day. It's like 30 something. That's why nobody's out. So I just wanted to do a little mukbang. This is my first one for 2025. Go check out my other things, and I'm gonna sign off. Just making it quick today because it's kind of cold. So check out my things, and that's the Burger King Melts mukbang.